What are bedbugs? Bedbugs, Cimex lectularius, are small wingless insects that are up to a quarter-inch long. Bedbugs range in color from white, right after molting, to a reddish-brown when they mature. Bedbugs feed on human and animal blood, particularly at night. Adult bedbugs live 6 to 12 months and may survive for long periods of time without feeding. Do bedbugs transmit diseases? Bedbugs are not known to transmit any diseases. Their bites are itchy and can become infected. Where are bedbugs found? Bedbugs are found worldwide, especially in areas with unsanitary conditions or severely crowded areas, such as in dormitories, hotels, and motels. Adult female bedbugs lay about 5 eggs daily in sheltered locations such as mattress seams, crevices in box springs, and spaces under baseboards. How can I tell if a residence is infested with bedbugs? The primary sign of an infestation is residents complaining of bites during the night. Similar to mosquito bites, the bites look red and are inflamed and itchy. The bites may become infected. Seek medical attention if infection occurs. Other signs of an infestation are crawling insects and bloodstains or dark spots from droppings on the mattresses, box springs, walls, floor, bed frames, pillows, sheets, and blankets. How can a household eliminate bedbugs? Clean areas known or suspected of infestation. Vacuum cracks and move furniture away from walls to expose hiding spots. Wash sheets and inspect mattresses and pillows. Fill in any cracks in walls or in the frame of the bed. Reduce clutter in the home. Call a pest control professional. Do not apply any pesticides without professional help because pesticides can be hazardous to people and pets. If you live in a dwelling with shared walls, such as a duplex, apartment building, dormitory or hotel, alert neighbors, landlords, building managers, or the owners if you have problems with bedbugs. Bedbugs can spread to other households by crawling through the walls. When discarding infested furniture, label it as infested with bedbugs to prevent further spread. What should I do if I stay in a hotel or motel that has bedbugs? Notify management immediately. Remove yourself and your belongings if possible. Inspect your belongings. If bedbugs are observed, put clothing and similar items in a clothes dryer for 20 minutes on high to eliminate any insect activity. Seek medical advice if bites become inflamed or infected. Contact the local code enforcement office if no action is taken by management to address the bedbug infestation. Resources: Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, https://www.cdc.gov/parasites/bedbugs/ United States Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, https://www.epa.gov/bedbugs. Identify U.S., former Harvard School of Public Health content, https://identify.us.com/idmebug/. Delaware Pest Control Operators, http://delaware on the web.com/businesses/pest.htm.